Do you know that grapefruit helps lose weight and eliminate accumulated fat in the body? Do you also know that one of the most important benefits of grapefruit is that it is a very powerful and effective treatment for cancer patients? All of us know the many health benefits of fruit grapefruit, but one of the most popular benefits is to reduce weight and fight cancer, and this is confirmed by the recent scientific study. Hi, friends, welcome to our channel. I'm Aretha Moore. In today's video we will talk about the magical benefits of grapefruit. So keep watching the video till end. One of the most important studies of grapefruit is a U.S. study conducted by researchers at the University of California, America, on a group of mice tested, and proved that grapefruit works to lose weight and eliminate obesity. The group was divided into two groups, the first to undergo high-fat diets, fatty meals, and grapefruit juice, while the second group was also subjected to the same diet, which contained high saturated fat but only with water intake, and remained for 100 days. The mice showed that the mice in the first group, who ate the fat food with grapefruit juice, were 18% less fat than the mice that ate the fat with water only. This indicates that grapefruit is one of the most important natural fruits that help to burn fat and prevent the effect of cholesterol in the blood and help regulate blood sugar levels. This is because grapefruit contains the fat-burning enzyme, which promotes rapid weight loss. Scientists are keen to conduct this study to make sure that it is already the fruit of grapefruit helps to lose weight after the spread of the grapefruit diet, which is very famous in America and known as the Hollywood diet, because there are a very large number of stars rely on this diet. Another recent scientific study, but this time at the University of Chicago under the supervision of a group of scientists and senior doctors, and proved that the fruit of grapefruit is fighting all types of cancer, whether liver cancer, breast cancer or lung cancer. It was discovered when a woman was suffering from liver cancer. She developed the disease and moved from the liver to the spine and lymph nodes. Doctors then told her she would not live for more than 5 years if she was lucky. But 5 years later, doctors discovered that the patient's malignant tumors had shrunk dramatically and had defied the disease and was in the process of fully recovering from the disease. When the doctors asked her about the secret, the lady said she was taking the medicine with grapefruit juice, and here the researchers in Chicago proved that grapefruit helps to increase the effect of the drug in the human body very much, so there were doctors who warn of taking it with drugs, but in cancer proves the opposite, because it helps to affect the drug inside the body to fight cancer and malignant tumors. Researchers also found in another study that grapefruit attacks breast cancer and helps stop the growth of cancer cells in the breast after they found that grapefruit contains a bioflavonoid compound that reduces malignancies in breast cells. Friends, we hope you find this video very helpful. Like and share it with your friends and family so they can also take benefit from this video. Thanks for watching, have a good day. Share it with your friends and family so they can also take benefit from this video. Thanks for watching, have a good day.